Hey there, feeling stressed lately? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a common companion for many of us. Whether it's work, personal life, or just the daily grind, stress can creep in and take a toll on our well-being. Stress is something we all face, but what if I told you there's a simple practice that can help reduce it? Imagine having a tool that you can use anytime, anywhere, to bring a sense of calm and clarity to your mind. Today, I'm diving into the world of mindfulness and how it can help you find your calm. So what is mindfulness? At its core, mindfulness is about being fully present and engaged in the moment without judgment. It's the practice of being present and fully engaged with whatever we're doing at the moment. This means paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without getting caught up in them. No distractions, no worrying about the past or future, just the now. Now let's talk benefits. Mindfulness isn't just a buzzword, it's a powerful practice with real tangible benefits for your mental and physical health. Mindfulness can help you manage stress by promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. When you take the time to be mindful, you create a space where stress can't easily take hold. When you're mindful, you're less likely to react automatically to stressors. Instead of letting stress control you, you gain the ability to respond thoughtfully and calmly. Instead, you respond thoughtfully, which can lower your stress levels. This thoughtful response can make a significant difference in how you handle challenging situations. Scientific studies even show that mindfulness can decrease the production of cortisol, our body's stress hormone. Lower cortisol levels mean less stress and a healthier body. And who wouldn't want less of that, right? Imagine feeling more relaxed and at ease, even in the face of life's challenges. But mindfulness isn't just about reducing stress. It's a holistic practice that can enhance various aspects of your life. It can also improve your overall well-being. When you practice mindfulness regularly, you cultivate a sense of inner peace and contentment. Practicing mindfulness can lead to better sleep, improved focus, and even enhanced relationships. Better sleep means you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. It's like a superpower for your mental health. Improved focus helps you stay on task and be more productive, while enhanced relationships bring more joy and connection into your life. Ready to give it a try? Starting a mindfulness practice is easier than you might think, and the benefits are well worth the effort. Here's a simple exercise to get you started. You don't need any special equipment or a lot of time, just a few minutes in a quiet space. Find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. This is your time to disconnect from the outside world and connect with yourself. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Focus on your breathing. Feel the air as it enters your lungs and then leaves your body. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. This simple act of focusing on your breath can bring a sense of calm and clarity. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. It's natural for thoughts to arise. The key is to acknowledge them and then let them go. Try this for just a few minutes each day and you'll start to notice a difference. Consistency is key, and over time you'll find it easier to stay present and calm. Remember, mindfulness is a practice. It's something you cultivate over time, and the more you practice, the more benefits you'll experience. It's not about being perfect, it's about being present. Embrace the journey and be kind to yourself as you practice. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, take a moment to be mindful. Even a brief pause can make a big difference in how you feel. It might just be the stress buster you've been looking for. Give it a try and see how mindfulness can transform your life. Thanks for watching and take care. Remember, your path to peace is just a breath away.